Holy moly, it's really warm in this car. Let me just take this off. Hello everyone, welcome to Liberebil and welcome to a video where I read your comments. It feels very wrong to put up a video of a car on Thursday when so much of you left so much beautiful comments and I didn't acknowledge it by typing each and every message out, so it would have taken a huge amount of time. So I thought I'd sit down, run through the comments and just say thank you so much to all of you. I'm in the Mahindra pickup. Thank you Mahindra for sending me the Mahindra to drive for the week. I'm okay with the car. It drives very hard, really bouncy, but for its price it's pretty cheap and it seems to get the job done. My dad and I fetched hood in it and it did the job really well. It's got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, heater, cruise control. It's got a 6-speaker sound system, a 4-speaker sound system. Yeah, my dad's back got sore because the seat doesn't have too much support, but yeah, thank you Mahindra, I really appreciate it. What's so weird is when it comes to these new cars, I always struggle doing reviews on them because I always want to do modified cars, I always want to do full modified cars, I always want to build modified cars because I'm not good at, like, who am I to, like, it's just tough for me to talk about new cars because they're all so good nowadays. And I could see in the comments people were getting a bit irritated with the new car videos because I was waffling and I wasn't like I wasn't very criticizing of cars. So yeah, today is Monday. Gino and I are going tomorrow to go and look at the lifts and things like that. And we get someone to come do the epoxy. So every Monday video we're gonna have the warehouse builds going further and obviously renovating the warehouse. It's gonna be a vlog, and every Thursday is gonna be modified and Killarney videos. But without Killarney and with coronavirus, so it means I can't do modified cars and I can't do Killarney. I'm gonna struggle to like find content for every Monday with us. So sometimes guys, it might only be one video a week, but it's gonna be a very entertaining video and the video is gonna be a lot longer. So let me stop this waffling and let me start saying thank you to all of you for these lovely comments. So we're talking about the previous video I put up, right? So if you haven't seen it already, you guys can click the card. So yeah, okay. Anthony says he's first. Awesome, Anthony. Neil Fortune first. P3VY. Yo, that intro though, thank you. Justin 786. As soon as I saw the notification, I hopped on the vid. Wait, what? This is amazing. A huge congratulations are in order, guys. This is going to be something we desperately need here. And do I see YouTube Hangout here maybe? Yes, Yusuf, I see. Okay, I commented back. So it'll be a place where all of you can come anytime you want. There's going to be food available that you can buy. There's going to be coffee that you can buy. There's going to be merch that you can buy. There will be tech that you can buy. And a lot of things is going to be it's going to be about cars and also other things. The guys, like, it's not only going to be about cars. We're literally going to be so different. So yeah. Racing Culture say now, this is exciting. Awesome. And Dusa Lushaba never click so fast. Philippe Dos Rees. Shoo, what an intro. Exciting times ahead. Congrats, Niyaaz and the team. Thank you, Philippe. And Dusa Lushaba, keep up the good work, champ. Thank you. Because I put a message and I see people commented. Let's read the comments. Yasin Ibrahim, please don't be one of those software copy and paste shops that makes VAG bolt-ons. We're not a tuning shop, guys. We're gonna focus mainly on customs like air suspension, beautiful paint work, beautiful interior work. And obviously we will outsource, like say for example I buy me an Audi RS3, I'll find a tuning company that we are actually, there is a tuning company right there by me in Paul, Tune to Race, there's JP Motorsport, I mean there's CPI in town, there's MRC, there's the one that Damien runs, ATM, there's so much tuning companies here, guys. The market is very saturated, so I think customs is a nice entry point. And the shop isn't, like, we're not really focusing too much about, okay, we are going to focus on customs, but it's going to be so much about community and people coming there to hang out, see what we're doing, talk to me, be on camera. I can maybe feature your car while you're there. If you want me to feature your car, I can feature your car. It's going to be super chill, guys. So yeah, where did I stop now? Okay, Rian van Sale, do a nice Carmen Kia build. Install a firecracker in the rear. That's awesome, Rian van Sale. Thank you, bro. Damien Lawrence, Car Masters of Cape Town. Super excited for this new chapter of Liberebil. Great work, Niyaaz. Thank you. Butters Racing says, Niyaaz, my family, I myself have a chemical company in Cape Town and would like to somehow collaborate with you. We are wholesale. Okay, cool. My email is in the description box below. Guys, I'm gonna run through the comments. Harriel, Mark One Rabbit, go sort your English out in the new warehouse. Whatever. Tawfiq Samsudin, all this video show how we brag about what car he wants or he's driving. Spoiled lighty. Yo, I'm cuck spoiled. Yo, if you're so rich, why subscribers join and pay? Yeah, I'm rich. I'm cuck rich. Jared Vrede, can't wait. Harriel, Mark One Rabbit, Tawfiq something true. He's swag. He only test drives nice cars. That's how he's getting famous. Even in the videos, if you notice, well, I don't really care. Tawfiq replied to that one. Finally, someone notices. It's funny how a YouTuber can go from reviewing cars, unless I mean all these manufacturers paid in thousands. Oh, I milk those manufacturers. To buy a workshop, yep. But to brag about how you now want to buy a Porsche. You know what? When I'm driving my Porsche, one day my GT3 RS, your comment really doesn't really mean jack, bruh. Anyway, Ahmad Abrams, well done, Niyaaz. People can be so hot here. Ahmad Abrams, well done, Niyaaz. Almost in upwards. Thank you, bro. Izaz Muhammad, mashallah, congrats, bros. Jared Vrede, yo, bro, congratulations. Thank you. Ryan van Eden, damn, congrats. This is next level stuff. Keen to see what's to come. Thank you, Ryan. I really appreciate it. Jared Barnes and a dyno. Like I said, guys, we're not a tuning company. We're a custom shop. So we're going to sell things that make your car look better, and we're also going to do exhaust systems for the volume, but we'll do like Akrapovic, and we'll try and do some intense exhaust systems in Novitec and stuff like that. I think it's Novitec. I don't know, so no, I don't know these brands. Anthony Serfontaine, you need to fill up with some fuel. Yeah, Gino's called me out. I was like, dude, you could have told me the tank was empty. Tevan Patrick, brilliant gents. Racing Culture, say thank you, Tevan. Really excited for this. Thank you, Racing is a Culture. Brandon Abrams, nice man. All the best for the future, bro. Thank you. The Hitman, amazing. Congrats. Let's keep liking and sharing the channel and get more subs. Awesome, bro. Thank you. Yeah, all kinds. Keep growing, bro. Making South Africa proud. Thank you, Brandon. I really appreciate it. Jamie Potgieter, congratulations, buddy. Excited to see what's to come. Thank you, bro. Jerome Holland, well done, guys. Also 3 colored guys doing something special. It's called Colored Excellence. Awesome. Nathan Suma, much congrats, buddy. It's by time SA stepped up to the plate. Yes, we're definitely going to try and step up to the plate, bro. Regan Diedericks, yo, I lived in Paul. My first mod will be at the warehouse. Yes, sir. Please come grab a cup of coffee and let us do that first mod to your car. Casey Mobile, this is so beautiful, guys. Niyaaz and your partners. Thank you, Casey. Kavishkar Partab, awesome stuff, bro. Thank you, Kavishkar. Max Naidu, hard work and perseverance pays off. Congratulations, yes. Thank you, Max. Collie Lou, congratulations, guys. I also have no idea of a mental bucky build to rape everything on the road, but money is tight right now. Oh, guys, you won't believe me how much guys like asked me for a job already, and my heart just sank. Like, it's hard. So what coronavirus is doing to people. The local leather guys, congratulations. Looking forward to seeing what's going to come out of this garage. That will the shop before. The shop is called LA Racing for Gino side, and Chad's and Liberebil from Liber Racing, sounds good, and Liberebil from my side. I'm gonna do builds as well, but it will obviously be LA Racing, and there will be LA Racing of Lyle. It will be LA Customs, sticker on my car, and there'll be LA, and there'll be a Liberebil sticker as well, because we basically like joined forces. Like, this is gonna be super awesome. Like, guys, you're not ready. Like the builds that Gino and I spoke about, like on Liberebil side and on Gino's side as well. It's insane, and yeah, it's insane. Sherwin Sander, always knew you were gonna make it with this channel. You're definitely going places for sure. Well done, congrats on everything. Thank you. Alex, after this we're going to need a tier 2 for channel partners. Excited to see what comes next. So there's one tier now. If you want to subscribe, guys, you can subscribe. It's free. If you hit the bell icon, you will be notified when I make a new upload. I upload videos every Monday and every Thursday, but sometimes one day a week, because it is coronavirus and I can't do modified cars and there's no Kilani. So I'm really working hard to bring you guys authentic content that's still authentic to Liberebil and feels original for Liberebil. So yeah. Cohen Stradom, Levels, congratulations. Keep on inspiring a nation, our own gas monkeys. Oh, it's such high praise. Thank you. Keenan Openshaw, get a Mustang, better than a Porsche. I would say even cheaper and cheaper. So yeah, we will see, guys. It's quite a while out from me buying a car. It's like not so long. It's probably like a few, like 2 or 3 months. But I don't want to rush into it because obviously I need to first start the business. We need to get the business opened, and then like there are cars I'm gonna kind of steal Gino's Porsche now and again, and these cars I'll be driving around, and I'll be asking for some fleet cars still while I do this. I'll have 2 fleet cars, and I'm gonna do what I'm doing there, because if I take fleet cars I have to do videos on fleet cars. So that's why I need to buy a car, because the more fleet cars I take, the more busy I am, and I might burn myself out, and that's never a good thing. So, and I'm gonna be working Mondays to Sundays. Obviously there'll be some days that I probably will be off, but for now, Monday to Sunday, and it's work that I really love, so it'll feel like I'm not working. I'll just feel like I'm having a party every day. Lorenzo, this is great news, man. All of the best to you guys. Keep it rolling. Thank you. Byron van Dijk, great stuff. So many questions, so many possibilities. Congratulations. Thank you, Byron. Tennille Meiring, one day I'm gonna meet Niyaaz in person. Dude, 1st October we open. You can pop in by us. Come talk to me. Come have a chat. Come have a coffee. I'll try and be very I'll try and be very friendly. Bilal Chappi, you're happy for you, bro. Thank you, Bilal. Late Customs, South African YouTuber taking it to the next level. I'm so happy for you, buddy. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Late Customs. There are people who commented here, so thank you to all who commented on this post. Garth Meyer, Liquor Man, Redar Islands, congrats, bro. Super proud of you and your new venture. Thank you, bro. Underground Racing say, top stuff, buddy. Congratulations. Keep inspiring. I'll try my best. Chad Martinezson, congratulations, brother. Yo, Chad looked jacked in this picture. Chad is doing a keto diet now. Chad is trying to get like his physique and things back in shape again, and I'm super proud of him. I couldn't be more proud of him. He's working really hard and he's being really strict on himself. I'm also going to be hitting the gym soon. I kind of want to pick up some weight. I want to see if there's any trainers that side of the world where I'm going to be... Okay, that's a conversation for another time. Frederick Johannes, captain. Niyaaz is going to buy a Honda S1000 Spoon Sports. Going to miss Killarney, but performance page will be there. I'm still going to be at Killarney. I'm just going to get a team to do it for me. Because I think Wednesday nights I will be quite tired, so I will obviously still present sometimes, but I'm trying to put a team together to shoot Killarney for me. I obviously have to buy gear and things like that for him, so yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how all that's gonna work. Bilkis, Banu Khan, Bulkus, please find your old videos as well. Please film your old videos as well. 2 like normal cars which we can afford, bro. Always, bro. I'm still gonna be doing normal cars and modified cars and VVLs and all that kind of stuff that you guys love. I'll always do those things, guys. Don't worry about it. Chad Weaver, all of this came from Niyaaz just being himself on the channel. Well deserved. Excited to see the cars y'all produce in there. And please don't forget about the garage burnouts. Never. Q1M Prince, congrats on this. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Gosh, guys, this is amazing. I wonder if I should jump a few now. Excellent stuff. Like how much minutes am I on? Okay, I'm gonna do till 17 minutes and then I'm gonna stop. Kopano Kumalo, excellent stuff. This like RDB or West Coast Customs in South Africa. Yep. But thank you. Matteo Lebello, wow, Liberebil, this is huge. Plenty of content ahead coming forth. Congratulations on this milestone. Thank you. Francis Moster, this is what life is all about. Progress. Thank you, bro. Azar Abrams, yo, I smack to work with you guys. Don't you maybe need a designer? You must DM me, Azar. I need to talk to you about a few things. Jason Phillips, DDE vibes. Azar Abrams, I'm bringing my 1400 to you guys for VR6 swap. Haha. Dean Saville, wow, I'm so excited for you, man. Big things ahead. Thank you. Ronan Juries, congratulations. Thanks for entertaining us. Enjoy your channel. We'll definitely enjoy your build. Thank you. Jihad Johansson, Alhamdulillah, brother. Lingerie and Bikini. Yes, I was sold by some dude on Facebook. You are a sellout. Rich guys taking advantage of your channel for some free airtime. It's amazing how people talk about me now. Like, I clearly said that I'm partnering, business partners with Gino and Chad. We all business partners in this. We have shares in the company. So in order to have shares in the company, we have to put in. So it's amazing when you like get to this level of I still maintain I'm not famous, but according to people I'm famous. Maybe that's why my inbox is so full of people. Like, I hate talking about this because I really don't think I'm famous. people just spread rumors about me, and I've been seeing some rumors floating around. I'm like, guys, believe what you want to believe. DM me if you want to know more. Don't listen to what people say. If you have someone tells something cack about me, just DM me. I'll say it straight. And if you want to be arrogant about it, I'll just block you. I've blocked so much people already, guys. It's unbelievable. Subspin. Paul is one of the best spots you guys choose for your business. It's a growing town that needs services, less competition. I find the people a lot more down to earth there, and the properties are bigger and the weather is better. Now, Paul is a bit too hot for me. No more cups of You're heading on the right track, becoming the master of your own destiny and your friends. Thank you, bro. Nicholas Jonker, Niyaaz is buying a Mustang, Merc C63, Suzuki Swift, but my choice for you is the Audi RS3. Congrats on your new ventures. Should I buy should I consider an RS3? I tell you what, comment down below if what would you prefer I buy? A Mustang, a Mercedes C63, a Suzuki Swift Sport, an Audi RS3, or a BMW M3 Competition. So put a tab. I'm gonna open up a tab up there, and just vote. I'm not saying I'm gonna buy what you're gonna vote for, but I just want to see what you guys are keen on. I hope it's the bloody Mustang. Muhyiddin Hendricks, Alhamdulillah, bro, all the best. Okay. Ethan Jared Engelbrecht, well freaking done. Doing big things, keep up the grind. Thank you. Jerome Mintroed Deva, congratulations, brother. Why do you guys build diesel engines for one of the van, a nice Duramax or Cummins diesel? That's actually really interesting. Really interesting. Okay, guys, here's one comment from one to tag Victor. I'm gonna read you guys' names now. Victor Wilkes, DJ5449, Raik Manuel, Kayla Cornelius, Rolly Maroleni, Dean Sneyman, Daniel Jones, Zubair, Andre, Luke, Adonis, Edwin, Neil, Bradley, Sanasi, Zaid, Layman, Tashriq, Keela May, Mo Adams, Lukman, David, Keenan Lucian, Lemoto, Patty, Joe Davids, The Brad, Madman, AJ the Alchemist, Shadrach Hendricks, Money Makes. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna scroll down so you guys can see when they commented. You guys see? So, otherwise, you guys are not gonna watch. You guys are gonna get mad with me. So, I just want to say, let me finish this off by saying, let me just get these people to pause here quickly. Right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all so much for watching Liberebil. I'm gonna say thank you in a lot of my videos, but I don't want to be annoying, so just know, guys, if I don't say thank you in my videos, it is in the back of my mind, because without you, this is a dream come true for me, and you guys won't understand what it means to me. Like even me, when I was talking to Gino in this video, and I was telling him talking about this Porsche and things like that. As a kid, I just can't believe that I was able to be that close to a Porsche, because my brother and I are huge Porsche guys, and it's big for me that I'm even chat with this AMG GT. I always find it so weird when I drive around with these cars and people look at me in these cars, and I've got the BMW 320i at home M Sport, and I drove the Mahindra. Now I like driving the BMW around, but I took the Mahindra because I wanted to show you guys and stuff like that. And I always feel bad when people look in the car's window, and I can see that look of, I wish I worked and got the car, because people obviously think I own the car. And I sometimes just want to stop and call them and say, dude, you can do it too. Just work damn hard. Put people around you who wants to see you succeed, and put people around you who wants to see you go forward in life, and put people in your life that's gonna make a good prayer for you, is kind of what I always want to tell, and what I want to tell you. If I could employ, and Gino and Chad could employ everyone who just lost their jobs, and I'm feeling like I'm getting very emotional talking about this, we would, because we all have massive hearts, and it's really heartbreaking, guys, to see what's going on in the world right now. But I want to tell all of you to please hang in there and keep working towards your dreams. You will accomplish it. You really will. I promise you that. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Be free, be you. Liberebil out.